Hi kids, it's Teacher Rob here. Welcome to the street, Sesame Street. Today we are playing a game of hide and seek with our Sesame Street friends. But I need your help. I need to find out where they are. Are you ready to look closely? Let's go! Look, it's Elmo! Where is Elmo sitting? He is on the steps. On the steps. Elmo is on the steps. Now look at Oscar. He is silly. Where is the trash can lid? It is on his head. On his head. The trash can lid is on his head. And look at the pigeon. Do you see it? The pigeon is sitting on the railing. On the railing. The pigeon is on the railing. They are all on something. Elmo is on the steps. The lid is on Oscar. And the pigeon is on the railing. Good job! Let's go inside. Oh, look! It's Cookie Monster! Where is his hand going? It is going in the cookie jar. In the cookie jar. Cookie Monster's hand is going in the cookie jar. Do you see Elmo's fish, Dorothy? Where is Dorothy? Dorothy is in the fishbowl. In the fishbowl. Dorothy is in the fishbowl. And look at the rubber ducky. Is the rubber ducky on the floor? No. The rubber ducky is in the toy box. In the toy box. Rubber ducky is in the toy box. The hand is in the jar. The fish is in the bowl. And the rubber ducky is in the box. Everyone is in. Oh no! Super Grover is hiding. Can you spot him? He is under the table. Under the table. Super Grover is under the table. Where did the ball go? I see it! It is under the chair. Under the chair. The ball is under the chair. Look very closely at the ground. Do you see Slimy the worm? He is wiggling under the newspaper. Under the newspaper. Slimy is under the newspaper. Super Grover is under the table. The ball is under the chair. Slimy is under the newspaper. Let's go to the garden. Look at Abby. She is standing next to the flower. Next to the flower. Abby is next to the flower. Who is that? It's Big Bird. He is standing next to the sign. Next to the sign. Big Bird is next to the sign. And here are two best friends. Bert is standing next to Ernie. Next to Ernie. Bert is standing next to Ernie. Abby is next to the flower. Big Bird is next to the sign, and Bert is next to Ernie. Look at our friends. Where is Big Bird? He is in the middle. He is between Elmo and Abby. Between Elmo and Abby. Big Bird is between Elmo and Abby. Here is the count. He is standing between the numbers 1, 2, 3. Between the numbers. The count is between the numbers. Look at the sky. Where is the sun? It is between the clouds. Between the clouds. The sun is between the clouds. Big Bird is between Elmo and Abby. The count is between the numbers, and the sun is between the clouds. Wow! You did a fantastic job today. You learned all about prepositions with our Sesame Street friends. Now you can look around your own house. What can you find on the table? And what is hiding under your chair? Great job practicing, everybody. But do you think you have a good memory? Let's find out. We're going to play the Sesame Street memory game. I will show you a picture, and you have to remember where the Sesame Street characters are. Are you ready? Open your eyes big and wide. Let's go! Look closely. Remember where Elmo is. Remember where Grover is. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay. Can you remember? Where was Grover? Was he A, on the swing, B, under the swing, or C, in the swing? The answer is A. Grover was sitting on the swing. Did you get it right? Okay, look at the picnic. Look at the food. Look at Cookie Monster. Lock it in your brain. 3, 2, 1, gone! Think hard. Here is the question. Where was the apple? Think hard. Was it A, in the basket, B, on the plate, or C, under the blanket? The answer is A. The apple was in the basket. The apple is in the basket. Look at the street. Look at the cat. Look at Oscar. 3, 2, 1. Picture off! Okay, experts, tell me, where was Oscar? Was he A, next to Bert, B, on the lamppost, or C, between the cat and the lamppost? The answer is C. Oscar was between the cat and the lamppost. You have a great memory. You're doing great! Let's go to the bedroom for round 4. Look at Cookie Monster, but also look closely at everything around him. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Here is the question. Where was the red ball? Was it A, on the bed, B, next to the bed, or C, under the chair? The answer is C. The ball was hiding under the chair. Did you spot it? Final round. Let's go out to the garden. Look at Elmo. Where is Elmo standing? Take a mental picture. 3, 2, 1, picture off. Okay, memory masters, where was Elmo? Was he A, next to the pumpkin, B, in the pumpkin, or C, under the flowers? The answer is A. Elmo was standing next to the giant pumpkin. Wow! You are a preposition master. You learned in, on, under, next to, and between. Thanks for playing with me and the Sesame Street friends today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more games. See you next time. Bye-bye.